In this video, I'm going to show you how you can export the device ordering app solution that you've been building in your App in a Day training. You'll start off in make.powerapps.com, and this is the environment where you've been building your device ordering app solution so far. Head over to the solutions area, and this is where we're going to package all of the components up for us. Click New Solution and enter a name like Device Ordering App. Select CDS Default Publisher and click Create. You'll now see the solution created, and at the moment it's kind of like an empty folder. Everything you've built so far we're going to add into this. If you've completed the full training, then everything I'm showing you is what you'll add in. But if you haven't quite finished with the labs yet, then likely you're missing some parts here. If you're missing it, not to worry, just add in what you have. The way we do this, if you go to Add Existing, we can go ahead and start putting in the different components. We'll start off with App and the Canvas app. Find the Device Ordering app and add it in. And then we'll repeat it for the next things as well. Next, we'll add in the approval choice, which you can find in the Other section. Tick Approval Choice. Our Cloudflow for the device approval request. And we're going to add in our connection references that our Flow uses. Tick all of them and hit Add. Our model-driven app, device procurement, and a few processes. For the processes, we want calculate ship date and device procurement process. And lastly, we want our device order table. For the table, you can tick include all components and click add. Just double check you have all of these things here. Like I said, if you haven't finished the labs yet, then likely you're missing some parts, but not to worry, you can still export what you've built. Once you're happy with it, you can click export, hit publish again. Once that's done, you can click next and make sure that you tick an unmanaged solution, especially if you are still working through the labs. If it's unmanaged, this means that you can still make some edits and add more components to it as well. And hit export then. In a moment, we're going to have our zip file downloaded, and this zip file is the solution. We can then move this and import this zip into another environment. Once it's done, you'll get that green tick, you can see that it's been downloaded. I'll switch to another environment now where I want to import my device ordering solution. So over in the new environment, go over to Solutions, Import, and browse for that zip file that we just downloaded. When you click Import and Next, you might need to update some of the connections. So what you can do here is if you just click on Select a Connection, it will open it up in a new tab. Click Create. You might need to sign in again. Once it's done, you can close the tab, hit Refresh, but now we just got to continue this on for the remaining 3 that are there. After you click import, it will probably take about 5 minutes or so, but when it's done, you'll be able to see your solution in your list of solutions here. And it's now good to go.